Good morning, guys. It's Friday. Good coffee today. All right, guys. Got my shave in, so I don't look like a werewolf today. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. So, I'll make this quick too. So, Ttoo, what's going to happen today? Hopefully, it makes a decent run today, okay? I'm expecting something to come out of this. I'm expecting a run at some point in time. I'm still holding. I haven't sold not one share. I'm still holding. Yes, I am in the hole, but I'm not in the hole where it bothers me, okay? Because actually, the money that's there is house money. It's money that I've already made off the market anyway. So it's necessarily not my money, okay? So I'm not worried about it. But when it gets to a key point, then I'm going to sell it. So I'm hoping for a run today. I'm hoping for something to happen between today and sometime next week, okay? It has to make a move soon. I still have 6,000 shares. Right now, I'm negative 20%, which I'm not worried about it. I'm not worried about it at all. I'm still holding, okay? That's all I can do. I mean, we're waiting on news, like I said. Hopefully the news comes out that it's positive and this thing can go ahead and do what it needs to do. I know there's still a fight for it to get back above $1, and that's a big thing for them because it seems like the company, the CEO, everything, they're really trying their hardest to stay compliant and stay on the NASDAQ, and they're trying to do something good for the testing, the hospitals, the people, everything, all that good stuff, right? So you see, it's making these wild moves. He's making some crazy moves. So I already know, like today, it's going to be kind of crazy. I don't know if it's going to. It appears like it wants to just take off and run because it made this big move down here when I seen it this morning. It like all the way down. So I'm sure some people bought this dip here. I started to buy more, but I was like, you know what? Let me just wait again because there's still a bottom, right? There's still a bottom over. Let me get back to it. So here's 26. So there's still a bottom, but it's way over here. Like over here. This 15, okay? The first time I bought in was over here at 10. Okay? So it still actually has room to come down to this part, which I hope it does not come down to this part, okay? Because you had all this time right here where it just stayed in that area before this drop off here, okay? So I still have high hopes for this company. I'm not going to sell none of my shares. You do what you want. And because I've heard some people say, oh, that stock is garbage. But I hear people say this, but prior to that, when they get into it, they're like, oh, this company is great, it's doing this, and they're giving all these good things about it. But then when the stocks start going down and it's not in their favor, oh, this is a crazy stock, this is a crappy stock, I ain't buying that no more, blah, blah, blah. But then when it starts taking off again, like when it start running up again, most likely people are going to jump back in. Because this is how it is. They're not going to call it a crappy stock anymore once it runs up. If it does, okay? Which I'm hoping it does, okay? So I don't have much to say about it. We're just going to watch it, okay? ARM, this IPO from yesterday, they hit the stock market. Come on, load. This was the opening price. Well, not the opening price, but the IPO price, and then it opened up at 59. Wait a minute. Yesterday I said it was going to open up about 57, 58, or 59. And I was correct. It opened up at 59. So, and it's trying to come back down. People are selling, probably taking profits. I don't know which way this thing's going to go. I'm not in it. I'm just waiting for the option chain to come up so I can buy some calls and puts on that. Okay. Let's go ahead. Mullen. Mullen is holding strong. Mullen is doing good so far. They look like they're making some decent moves, some good promising catalysts is coming through. As they already mentioned. They look like they're trying to be on the right path. But at first, it was really sketchy. A lot of people got out of it. I got out of it because I just got tired of hearing the broken promises. Am I going to chase back in right now? No, I'm not. I'm not going to chase back in right now because I'm just waiting. Because if there's a big, strong pullback, at least over here to 41, then maybe. But we have all this 40, yeah. If it comes back down to 41 in the 40 areas, then I'll probably buy some. But right now, I'm not. I'm not even worried about it because I'm focused on something else. Okay, AMC is doing this thing, is pulling back, and I think AMC they're trying to get it back down to 5. That's all I can say. So they had that fake run up, down, then back up. They had these fake pumps right here to get people excited, right? And people, oh, we're running. Oh no, what are they doing? They're doing it again, you know. I'm just tired of hearing about AMC. I'm not worried about it. I have some shares on the side. Like I said, I've been holding forever, which is not a lot, and I'm not worried about it if it goes to zero, or if it get delisted. Those shares I'm not worried about because it's only a few. But I do think they're trying to get it back down to 5. I've always thought that, and I think that's where they're going to head to next. A lot of people in this play. It's still above the high of yesterday, and it's just kind of holding there. I don't have much to say about that either. I'm not in that, but I know a lot of people watching it because they're waiting on a squeeze to happen, right? Just like GTII, I think people are waiting on a squeeze for that. Am I in that? No, I'm not. Because that stock is on the OTC market, so I'm not waiting on that. This is the next IPO on Robinhood. Has it opened up yet? The final price has not been determined yet. The price range is between 26 and 28, but that could change, okay? The final price is not there yet. Expected date 9/18, which is next week, okay? So we will see how this goes. Am I going to get in this? No. No, I'm not, okay? And, I'm watching this because I think right here, EBS, I used to have like 50,000 shares of this. I sold. I think it's ready to do these wild swings again. I'm not saying for you to buy in, but it seemed like it's brewing to do some wild swings again because at first it was coming down, and then first it was making some big moves up and down. You can like scalp it real easy, and then it cooled off. But now I seen it yesterday. I was watching it yesterday and the day before, and now as of today, I kind of think this is going to try to make some really big moves. I only have 300 shares over here. I may increase it maybe today. I don't know. If I go back negative, then I may increase it, but I need to see how this thing moves, okay? I'm still watching it, but I think it's ready to start making big moves again. So I'm up 8% on that, which is not a lot, okay? I may increase my shares here in a moment. You know what? Let's just see, because let's do it. Let's see. Trade, buy. Let's go ahead and say if I want, I don't know, 4,000 shares, it's going to cost me $180, okay? The last time I had, let's say 50,000. That's 2,000. Okay, so I'm gonna go 25. So, like, if I buy some, I'll probably buy maybe like a 25,000 shares if I was to buy some, and just scalp it, okay? But it's already up. I think it's gonna make some wild swings, so I got my eye back on that again. This is not a long hold. eBest is not a long hold for me, okay? It's a swing trade. But that's it, guys. Definitely got to keep an eye on TTOO and eBest, okay? Because I think it's going to start taking off here, and it's trying to make some moves, okay? So now I'm 19%. I'm not 20% anymore over there. You see, it's trying to move. So let's hope for the best. That's it, guys. I have to go, and I'll see you later. Take care. Leave a comment. Say hi, anything. Just leave something down there so I know you stopped by. Even if it's just an emoji or a thumbs up, anything, okay? See you in the next one. Take care. Peace.